We're just hopping. We're here.
Going to the new fishing hole.
Yeah.
Had some good luck here a couple days ago.
It's a lot of ducks.
Here we are.
Okay, I'm excited. You saw bass in here?
Yep, saw bass in here.
And this is where you caught one, right?
Yep. Right.
Okay.
I mean,
Got the first bluegill.
Yep.
There's like a snapping turtle down there.
Owen's polarized sunglasses, and I went to look in the water to see if there's any bluegill. Found some.
I hold it.
Found some. Tossed the worm over there, and got one.
Yep, here is the bluegill. It's a nice one. Just say goodbye to you.
Well, some more. Right there. Yep, they're going at it.
You can see them.
Got another one. Let's go. Bro, these things are beasts. And the polarized sunglasses.
Crazy. Oh, this is feisty one.
He's a feisty one. His name is Bobby. Bobby!
He's cool looking.
Yeah, he's a pretty one.
See ya, Bobby.
Oh, that's a good dive.
A little baby toad.
What should we name it? Tommy.
Jeffrey.
We named the other fish Jeffrey.
Oh, yeah.
It's Tommy.
Tommy.
My man Tommy.
Main man Tommy.
Okay, let's let him go now.
Yeah. See ya, Tommy.
Oh God. Okay. Well,
Catfish.
oh,
Nice.
he swallowed it though.
Oh. I was not expecting you to get that. Or I was not expecting you to get that.
Bottom feeding, bro.
Yeah, you just left it there. Let it sink to the bottom.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Catfish, when he choked the thing,
Thing
and
the
he was
butt.
biting. Yeah,
Watch. If I put them in there.
He'll just bite him. Wait, he's not biting him.
Oh.
Oh!
Did you? Watch. Okay, he's not opening up his mouth. There, they're in. Okay,
He was biting him though.
there. See that?
Come on, dude. Yeah, but he was just being a pain.
Oh, he just bit down.
Yeah.
Bullhead, so he never dies. But
Bullhead catfish. Goodbye.
well, it's a black bullhead, but he's all dirty now. You want to feel him? Oh,
Sure.
he won't hurt you. I got a hold of him.
Whoa.
I'm just trying to wash the water through his gills to get him going. There. Now, whenever you're ready.
See ya, buddy. See ya, pain in the butt.
Oh, there he goes.
There he goes. I don't know if you guys can still see him, but there he goes. Oh, whoa.
He gone.
He's gone. We're going to take a break because Michael has some appointment, like
Sadly.
for his knee. Oh, but we'll be back
Later on today.
yeah. Nighttime for more catfish.
Yep. That one though, that was a vicious one.
Yeah, feisty catfish. We'll see you when we're back.
He's got this jig head plastic worm that I rigged up for him.
Just going to prep for the tournament or competition now. Our first competition. So
Which is Wednesday at 6
Yep.
p.m.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, it should definitely be fun.
Yeah.
is gonna show you the setup. Thinking so far for the competition. Got this spoon that probably won't even use. It's just in there because Grandpa gave him all this stuff.
Yeah, I got all the stuff.
He's got a reel if he needs another reel.
Yep.
You never know. So he's got all these jig baits up here.
Yeah, a lot of jig baits.
Oh, one dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
These I'm
jig
probably gonna
baits.
use a lot. I like these.
Yep, definitely the jig baits. They're good.
Especially for the bass.
Oh yeah. And then second
First
drawer
drawer,
for he's got this huge swim bait that he might not even use.
Yeah, I might.
Look at that. It's like as big as my hand. It's huge. And then he's got this rooster tail in here.
Yeah. Like Michael said.
If he's having a bad day, he just wants to catch something.
Yeah.
So just the maps, you know. Got some spoons in the back.
Yeah, these ones in the back I'm probably not gonna be
Jerk
using.
bait, crankbait, and then he's got this frog that he's probably gonna be using. He's got this crankbait.
Everything in the front I'll probably be using.
He's got this crankbait. Another sort of crankbait. This is a bad boy.
I'm excited to use that one.
Got sort of like a rooster tail in. It's a nice one. He's got another crankbait. He's got one more. I got him a Texas rig, I think. Dang it, now
Yeah,
I forget the name now. I think it's a Texas rig.
Yeah, it's a Texas rig. I know.
Yeah, I think it is. I just saw this. I saw this catfish rig that I got confused with. I got another jig head. Another jig head. Wacky rig. Got a whole bunch of plastic worms. Got this propeller plastic worm in here that I probably won't be using. Got these little tablets, whatever.
Oh, now we're on the bottom one, the last one.
We got,
All these jigs.
you know, like crappie, you know, just all these jig heads and all these, you know.
Give a huge shout out to
Tina from the doctor's office. I saw her today. I told her about the channel. She subscribed. And she hit that bell. She deserves a shout out. Thank you, Tina. Keep watching.
So we are back now a few hours later. Now we're with Michael's brother, Steven. Going bottom feeding. And for bluegill, hopefully a bass. But yeah. First one coming back. There was none over there. We couldn't get any on over there. It's a
First
small
one, smallest one.
It's a cool one though. It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's throw this guy back in.
Yeah.
See ya, dude. Look at him.
It's a big boy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those legs. Oh. Those are definitely webbed.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
We are at the new location. We already just caught a bluegill. There's a rock. We got rock bass.
A little small. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Nice, dude. I've not caught one of them in a while. Nice. What's that?
Right off this thing.
Were you just casting and reeling in? Another rock bass, in less than a minute.
Had a good fight too. Let's go. Chill.
I'll hold
This
it.
was